If you have kids, eventually you're going to break one of these hooks off. They're pretty easy to install. I'll post a link on Amazon for a couple bucks. Don't go to a dealership for this one. This is so easy. Ones that are broken, tabs break off is what happens. Here you can see one that's new. So this one has 1, 2 of the 4 tabs missing. These little divots is where the hooks go. But when you push it up, it releases these hooks and it locks in place. It's reversible in case you get it wrong. It's probably the easiest car repair that you can do. You make sure that the hook is on the outside. Push it in all the way. Punch it up. There. It's locked in place. Now you got the screen working just as well as when it was new. And I've bought about 4 or 5 of these because it's just a matter of time before another one breaks. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of car repairs, this one's loose too. It's just a matter of time. Making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, home repairs. I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what kind of repair you're gonna see.